Hello students, in this video we will discuss mutation. We will see what is mutation. Mutation is a sudden change in one or more genes or in the number or in the structure of chromosomes. Mutation is a sudden change in one or more genes or in the number or in the structure of chromosomes. A gene mutation is a permanent alteration in the DNA sequence that makes up a gene such that the sequence differs from what is found in the most people. It is totally changed. Okay? Mutations can affect anywhere from a single DNA building block, that is base pair, to a large segment of a chromosome that includes multiple genes. Over a lifetime, our DNA can undergo changes or mutations in the sequence of bases. That is, do you remember bases? That is adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine. Already we have discussed about all these bases, and this results in changes in the proteins that are made. Clear? Mutations can occur during DNA replication. Mutation alters the hereditary material of an organism's cells and results in change in certain characters or traits. If there is mutation, then there will be change in characters or traits. For example, sickle cell anemia. Spelling of anemia is ANEMIA. One more spelling is there, ANAEMIA. Both are correct. You can see the shape of sickle. So sickle cell anemia is a blood disease. It is a blood disease caused by a gene mutation. Sickle cell anemia is a blood disease which is caused by a gene mutation. The mutation causes change in the DNA, resulting in the production of sickle-shaped red blood cells. You can see the figure of red blood cells. In this, the shape is changed. This is the normal red blood cell. This is normal shape of red blood cells, and this one is after mutation, when the shape is changed, that is sickle cell. Clear? So sickle cell anemia is caused by a mutation in the gene that instructs the building of a protein. Do you remember which protein present in blood? Yes, hemoglobin. So it instructs the building of a protein called hemoglobin, and this causes the red blood cells to become an abnormal. Clear? Abnormal, rigid, sickle shape. Clear? Second, radioactive radiations also alter the gene structure, and their effects can be seen generation after generation. An atomic explosion which had occurred during World War II in 1945 in Japan, Hiroshima, Nagasaki, had led to a number of deformities in the body of plants and animals which are still persisting. You can see in the pictures deformed humans, animals, deformed animals, flowers. So radiation may alter the DNA within any cell. Cell damage and death that result from mutations in somatic cells occur only in the organism in which the mutation occurred and are therefore termed somatic or non-heritable effects. Cancer is the most notable long-term somatic effect. In contrast, mutations that occur in germ cells, sperm and ova, can be transmitted to future generations and are therefore called genetic or heritable effects.